Yung nakikita nyo ngayon is the built 5 kits, DIY kits no, from Rocker. These are called Super Creator Series. So, there are 5 kits in total. Meron kang Happy Meal Kitchen, Pop Bubble Bathroom, ito yun. Sweet Dreams Bedroom, which is this one nasa taas. Warm Dining Room, this one, no? And then we also have the Cozy Living Lounge. These are called DIY kits kasi kailangan mo siyang buuin from pieces. It takes about 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours tops, no? And very therapeutic. Ang nakaka-relax to buuin. Ang ganda kasi mga details niyan, gagawin mo yun. Even yung mga tables, itong tables na to, and yung mga books, yung mga details. Meron parang potato chips doon sa sofa, sa couch, di ba? And then you can stack it up. Pwede mo siyang, they are being sold individually, pero pwede mo silang i-stack up. Pwedeng pataas, pwede rin yung padikit, no? And then, meron rin siyang accessories like door, and you also have the roof, no? So, itong roof na to, ito yan. And then yung door is this one. So, dalawa, no, kasama dito, no? And then you can put it as you desired, no? Kasi maganda dito, itong roof na to, usually kasi, isang kit, wala talaga siyang kasamang roof, di ba? So, technically, or by default, ganito yung itsura niya. May lamp siya, pero nakakabit siya sa ceiling. Pero pag meron kang roof, meron rin siyang abang dito na pwede mo rin ikabit yung included na ceiling doon sa kit, no? And, ito, recent ko lang rin na-discover sa likod, yung mga power supply na yan, you can put to kuryente or pwede ring power bank, no, type C, no? So, you can attach it and then, pwede mo siyang i-connect lahat. And then, the way it goes is, pag turn off the lights, yan, meron siyang button pala dito sa likod. Ayan, so pwede mo siyang pindutin, tapos iilaw siya. May on-off dito sa likod, yung power supply niya. Ayan. Ito sa warm dining room, meron siyang ilaw dun sa fireplace niya, naka-shape ng fire. Tapos dito naman sa Happy Meals Kitchen, makikita mo yung oven. May ilaw siya, ayun, no? Tapos ang maganda dyan, nabubuksan pa pati yung oven, no? Diba? The details, ang ganda. Tapos parang maganda dito is you can display this at the corner of your house or your room, no? Meron pa kaming 5 designs na parating, no? So, we'll try to build this ng dadamihan natin to hanggang mabuo natin lahat. Hanggang sa meron tayong isang malaking dollhouse, no? Diba? So, these are available online and in-store. If you want it, you can get it. And may paparating pa kaming mga bagong stock. So, yun lang.